The ViewSonic PG701WU is one of those projectors that quietly impresses with its mix of power, precision, and practicality. It's not just made for one purpose. This model is built to handle everything from intense business presentations to immersive home theater setups. It's versatile, bright, and responsive, all while staying easy to use and reliable over time. At first glance, the 3,500 lumens of brightness immediately stand out. That's strong enough to produce sharp, vivid visuals even in rooms with plenty of light. Whether you're showing a slideshow in a brightly lit office or enjoying a movie during the day, the picture stays clear and colorful without needing blackout curtains. Add to that the WUXGA 1920 by 1200 resolution, and what you get is an image that's more detailed than traditional Full HD, perfect for fine text graphics or cinematic visuals. Performance-wise, it's built for speed. Low input latency means actions happen instantly, making it excellent for gaming, interactive work, or seamless video playback. There's no lag or motion delay, which adds to its professional-grade reliability and smooth viewing experience. Connectivity is simple yet effective. Dual HDMI ports allow multiple devices to be connected at once. No need to constantly swap cables. You can hook up a laptop, console, or streaming stick and switch between them effortlessly. And yes, it's 3D ready. With compatible content and 3D glasses, it can transform your room into a mini theater with depth and realism that pops off the screen. Setting it up is refreshingly easy. Thanks to vertical keystone correction, you don't have to worry about perfect alignment. Even if the projector isn't positioned squarely in front of the wall, it automatically adjusts to deliver a straight, well-proportioned image. That's a feature that saves a lot of time, especially if you move it between rooms or venues. The built-in speaker is decent for quick setups or small meetings, but to truly experience the projector's potential, pairing it with a quality external speaker or soundbar is the way to go. That's when the visuals and sound come together for a complete theater-like experience. Another major highlight is lamp life. The PG701WU can last up to 20,000 hours in Super Eco mode, which means less maintenance and years of use before replacements are needed. That's a major advantage for anyone planning to use it frequently for entertainment, education, or business purposes. From design to performance, this projector feels professional yet practical. The compact body fits easily on a shelf, table, or ceiling mount, and its simple interface ensures anyone can get started quickly without technical headaches. It strikes the perfect balance between price and premium performance, making it a great option for anyone who wants something powerful without spending a fortune. In short, the ViewSonic PG701WU isn't just another bright projector. It's a complete solution for people who value clarity, speed, and dependability. It performs consistently well in every environment, handling both business and entertainment needs effortlessly. It's an investment that pays off in performance, lifespan, and image quality. If you want a projector that offers professional-grade visuals, flexible setup, and long-term durability, the ViewSonic PG701WU stands out as one of the smartest options you can get today. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this ViewSonic PG701WU 3500 lumens WUXGA projector with vertical keystone, dual HDMI inputs, low input latency, and 3D ready technology for both home and office use, check out the link in the description below.